So hi gang, this is one of my classrooms in the brand new Zachary building. Lights are on, buddy. Now I'm going to show you some features here of the classroom, just doing it, see how slow I'm doing a span, buddy? Okay. There's 100 seats in here. You'll notice that they're all broken up into groups of 4, and there's things in the middle, actually on the sides here. I'll show you here in a moment what it does. We have the big screen TVs that mimic exactly what I have on the board, which is going to be the challenge for me because here I am holding this here. But this is basically a glorified whiteboard. So you go ahead. Yeah, take a pen. Oh. Oh, there we go. So as he's writing, notice it's showing up on the other screens as well. Bowen, pick another color, baby. Pick another color. Erase is right here, where it says all. Good job. I notice. There's a couple of controls. This screen down that Bowen's on is actually one of the master controls, but then we have another one at our, what we call our podium. And I'm going to show you the next neat little feature here.
Is that for me?
Yep.
What the heck?
Now every one of these is connected to the 4 seats, or they're all representing the 4 seats that are in front.
You're like a
And
boss.
each of these monitors are basically a computer that the 4 can tie into. And you'll notice on the screen there they actually have a unique identifier IP address. This one's the last 3 digits are 225. The other one over here is 229 over here. You have a question? So I can tie into their computers from my screen, and then they can tie their computers using just something wireless to this screen here. So it's pretty amazing. Think about 4 kids, they're all looking at the same screen of work that they're doing. So it's really, really powerful stuff. For me, watch out, boys.
Okay, I want to get back to the whiteboard.
Yep, hang in there, hang in there. So Bowen wants to get back to the whiteboard. So you'll notice they're all touch controls, whiteboard. Okay, go ahead and go ahead and draw. It's fine, it'll go away in a second. And over here is our paint.
Paint?
There you go.
Yeah.
Pick color and draw.
Baxter? Yeah. What?
Now, as you'll see, this little icon tray down here. Hang on, baby. Oh, hang on. No, it's not your fault, it's mine. There we go. As you can see down here, I can kind of see what's going on with the other screens. Obviously, there's no students, but crazy kid. But there's also a nice camera if I wanted to record everything that I'm doing is right there. So that's kind of nice. So I can post everything on the web that I've done in the classroom. What else can I do? Oh yeah, watch this. So you remember the screens that I had from before. They're showing Bowen's stuff. Now I'm doing the exact same thing on all of their screens. Now they show what Bowen's doing.
I'm going back.
Yeah?
Look at all those rivers.
This is also tied into a normal PC that would show up as a window inside here, but as you can see, it's kind of just crazy what I can do. And boys, stop for 1 second. Stop for 1 second. I can, oops. I can.
You're making rivers, dude.
Yeah, I'm making rivers. Yeah, I can drag it. Oh, I just did. There was a delay there. The technology has not been perfect. Matter of fact, yesterday, I forget what date that was, September 28th was actually the first time it really got the wireless all set up. But there's so much technology here, it's ridiculous. I also have individual controls of each of the screens if I wanted to put them down, or if I wanted to shut them off, or whatever else like that, or if I wanted to view one of them. Let's see, I'll do that real quick. So again, they're all by identifying number here. Watch out. And there we go. And I can see what they're doing. I don't know which one that is, 04. I think that one's over here. But yeah, so amazing stuff that I can do with all of this. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that. But I mean, yeah, basically I have a whiteboard Yeah, and as you can see, the room's got tons of whiteboards too, but I can use that as a whiteboard. Normally, actually, I have some type of code or my notes up from the PC version that'll pop up. But it's just crazy amount of stuff that'll show up. So watch it there, boys.
Okay. Down it is. Whoa.
So you'll see everything here with the canvas. Room control is
Yeah. No, I'll.
shh, bing ding dong. There's control of the whole system with physical monitors. Matter of fact, I'll just
8, 9, 10.
up and yep. Now you'll notice. I'm sorry, going too fast there. It drops. I can also share everything here. Save the session that I have, which is basically the screen and everything on it. You can save that as well. Yeah, a lot of neat stuff with all of this. But yeah, so there's literally about 100 different computers in here. Sorry, 100 different students that are in here. With my active learning, what they end up doing is they're working in their groups of 4. That table would have like homework problems on it, and they do it one at a time. If they get the homework problem done, they come back, have me check it off, go back to table, get homework problem number 2, then they go back to the table and work on it together. So that's how my flipped has really worked out here. It's been amazing. They've really come to me for a lot of different things, because sadly there's just some instructors that just come in here, plug in a laptop and just lecture like they normally would, but with all this technology it's ridiculous to do that. So yeah, so notice also the bigger screens went off. I have individual controls of that. So if I wanted to show this screen to everybody, okay, cast is to all of the screens. Notice how the lower screens, the student screens, and for some reason it's not working right now, and that's okay. I'm not worried about that. Or I can put it on the upper cast, and that's the screen above, as you can see. Or I can actually show two different stuff using dock 1 and dock 2. So maybe these monitors show the Yankees losing, and then these monitors might show the Orioles winning, which never freaking happens anyway. So, but anyway, just wanted to show you the overall the room setup that I've got for this entire year. They actually put me in a small cubicle office here, which is fine because I'm here all day as it is. So, so very nice setup to say the least.